Here we are again with some crappy Bluetooth headphones. These supposed to stay on your ear and you should be able to listen to music, but it was crappy. It has the stainless steel bar here that kind of acted like a spring, and it was too tight on your head and blah blah blah. It was crappy. So I got it, and I will transform it into a Bluetooth receiver module or something. But first I have to take it apart. The person I got it from only removed these two pieces of plastic here to remove the spring, basically, but they didn't get into the electronics here. So that's where I need to go today. Let's remove these first. So the way these headphones are usually constructed, the electronics is in one side, so you can see here with the buttons and stuff, and the battery is usually in the other on the other ear, so the weight gets kind of just distributed evenly. But yeah, we'll have to see. That's my suspicion that it's that way. Oh, there's a screw there, and I just tore it off. Okay. For some reason I thought there was no screw. Yeah, kind of crappy. Yeah, okay. So we have a thick wire here. It probably has four separately insulated sorry, separately insulated wires inside, you know, with the enamel coating that's usually very strong. Yeah, I don't know how I should take these apart. I want to take apart the battery first, so I don't short it out or something. Maybe you take off this and it breaks. Yeah. There are no screws or something. And this middle part. Nah. I don't know. Maybe just take these off. Try to pull it apart. Oh. I can see some things. And there's the battery. I was right. Yeah. And this pulls apart nicely. Okay. So here's the small battery. 350 milliamp hours. Kind of old chemistry. 3. Oh, you can see it. 3.7 volts. And yeah, this feeds back through this stupid small cable that has 4 wires. Very poorly insulated, if you can see. Just these flexible things they use in headphones to be very thin, and they are kind of crappy. Okay, so let's cut off the battery. If I can find some scissors. Which way did they go, George? Which way did they go? They went that way. Here's the scissors. So just hopefully I didn't short it out. So we have a really small battery here. And yeah, I don't care about the speaker. It's the blue end. Let's just remember that. Does it say which one is the positive and which one is the negative? It has red over here. Does that mean anything? Whatever. Let's try to take apart this one. It's easy, just pry it apart. And here we have a lot of wire. That's a lot of wire. For what? Oh, this is funny. This is the antenna for the for the radio. This coiled up inside. They should have used one of the wires in here. Yeah, that's kind of funny. Okay, but here's all the electronics which I'll use with a 3.5 millimeter jack. Oh, here's a microphone too, but that's usually crappy. Yeah, speaker, mic. The other ones aren't marked. USB, that's marked. And yeah, so I think I'll keep it like this so you can press all the buttons you need. But I will remove these two speakers and put in a 3.5 millimeter jack. Yeah, and then it will be able to play MP3 from the memory card. Put in a big battery, like 2000 or 3000 milliamp hours. And yeah, maybe I'll make another video on it.